Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. Today we're gonna talk about the PS5 Resale Price, the Travis Scott collaboration with PS5, the Spider-Man Miles Morales collaboration with Adidas Superstar. Now the retail price in America is around $500. Here in the Philippines, to be exact, it is $27,990. So it's almost $560 here in the Philippines. No, 500, right? It's $560 when you convert it to pesos. And yes, it will drop December 11 here in the Philippines, but in America it dropped. So yes, it has a resale price. Now I don't know if this is true, but you can type it, you can check it on StockX. It is around $886. Now this is kind of funny because that is a very high resale price. It's almost roughly around 900 when you convert it to pesos. It is almost 40,000 pesos. Guys, don't buy it. Since definitely when the pandemic will be over and everything will be fine, there will be a lot of units, guys. So don't buy it. $886. That's crazy. But I don't know. If you really want it, that is not wise, guys. Don't buy $886 for a PS5. Now, there is also this Travis Scott collaboration, and for me, it looks clean, and it has that white tone like the PS5. It has that PlayStation and the Japanese. It doesn't have the Japanese branding on the outsole. And it looks great, guys. For me, it looks great. The Nike Dunk Low and the blue tone, but it's just 5 pairs. It's funny that it is only 5 pairs, guys. So definitely, it will be very overhyped. It can go around more than $1,000. That's crazy. I don't know if you're a fan. Go buy it. It's funny, guys, that Nike Dunk Lows are very expensive to the point that it's not that practical. Yes, I do spend on Yeezys, but because I love Boost, and you know that, guys. And the Prime Knit is great, but this one, I don't know if it's worth it to pay that kind of resell, guys. I'm just gonna be honest and not be after the hype. You know that in my channel we talk about resell, and I'm not about the hype. I'm more on how practical is the sneaker. So there you go, and let's talk about the Spider-Man Miles Morales. And I think it's a good color. The Superstar is the flagship right now of Adidas. They are pushing the Superstar model, and the price is great. It's only 4,500 pesos, $90 for a collab. I wish that it has a special box. I wish like this CNY bread colorway, and that is the main color pattern of the Spider-Man Superstar, black and red. And I like it. It has a black stripe, and you have also the details at the heel tab, and at the lace you got that PS5. So yes, overall I like it, but definitely I'm not gonna cop it since I'm not a fan of the Superstar model. But then again, good job Adidas on doing this collaboration. I think it's a good colorway, but I would say the Spider-Man Jordan 1 is much better. But then again, yes, that's it, guys. It's a very crazy day since the release of the PS5, you see a lot of videos on YouTube about the PS5. And yes, thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.